Now you can see in this is okay how to access the form data, form array data it is going to be. So if you're going to use okay already the existing day dollar days okay array. So here if you're going to use dollar underscore get day, if you're going to say whatever the last is going to be entered, that particular value that you'll be going to get it here, because dollar get is the super global variable it is going to be okay. So it contains the last value from the list that was selected okay. So to overcome this limitation, you're going to specify okay name attribute over here, name attribute that you're going to use it okay. For each checkboxes okay, Monday is a checkbox okay, so that day is going to be Monday. So like this that you'll be going to specify it so that you can able to access the particular values. Using the query string links okay. So when you're going to use the query string, so that we have seen that here is a example for that. This is a query string okay. So where when you'll be going to get that this is a query string it is going to be okay, get process login.php. So this one from username to password okay. So this is a query string it is going to be, so that it is going to be passes over here okay. Imagine a web page is there which is displaying a list of books. These are the list of books it is going to be. One approach with the separate page for the particular book. So separate pages are going to be there for this. Click on this particular operation, you'll be going to display that particular link is going to display that particular book information okay. So example, if you're going to take it for this one, there is a hyperlink is being created for this okay, database processing reference display book.php. So this query string is going to be ISBN number is going to be there for that, and the database processing. So this will take that display to display that particular book once you click that particular operation okay. So sanitizing the query string, it means to say that some mistakes if it has been happened in that query string, so how it is getting rectified in this. So let us see that how to sanitize this query string. Just because you are expecting a proper query string does not mean that you are going to get a properly constructed query string. Always it is not. So to disrupt all the inputs okay, the process is called as checking user input for incorrect or missing information is sometimes referred as the process of sanitizing the user input. Example here it is going to be, this is a PID, $PID is equals to MySQL I real escape string okay. So link is there and you'll be going to say that ID, you'll be going to fetch from that $get ID is there. So you wanted to fetch that particular ID, whether it is going to match, whether it is going to be set, that you'll be going to check in this. If is integer PID, whether it is there, whether it is set, if it is going to be present, then you continue with that. If it is not, the error is being displayed okay, fine, because the query string must contain the value. If it is not going to contain the value, then it cannot be able to execute that particular process right. So for that purpose this query sanitizing the query string is being used to display any errors are going to be there in that okay, fine. Let us complete here. Later on again we'll go for the next operations of arrays.